Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is soup day. Yeah, so today is the perfect day to make some soup. And back home in Jamaica, Saturdays are soup days. So yeah, it's freezing outside. So like I said, it's like the perfect timing. But so you're gonna need half pot of water. And the vegetables, I'm cutting up my vegetables right now to add to the water. I added the chicken already just now and added some salt with it. So you could use chicken back or chicken foot. I decided to use the chicken that I already have in the fridge. So yeah, so now I'm just cutting up my chicken, cutting up my vegetables to add to the pot. So yeah. So I went to go get 2 more carrots because it wasn't enough. And so a little heads up guys, I did buy pumpkin, right? But when I'm making soup, I never put pumpkin in my soup. I've tasted soup with pumpkin, but me making it, I never put pumpkin in my soup. But because I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a video, so let's just like show the real thing, I guess. But it's like still wasn't interested in using the pumpkin. Even me having it right there, I wasn't really interested in using the pumpkin because that's not what me making my soup, that's not what I'm used to. So I still decided not to use it. Like I was like, never mind, I'm not going to use it. And when you add all your vegetables in the water, the water rises up. So I mean that's gonna happen. So back home, Jamaicans, they make their soup with pumpkin. Like you add the pumpkin with the chicken and let it boil out. You're gonna let the pumpkin boil out. So yeah, but I still wasn't interested in using the pumpkin. Even me having it right there, I was like, I'm just gonna use a pumpkin with something else. That's all. But it's cool though, it's alright. Everyone cook different. My soup still always tastes good without the pumpkin, so that's what I'm used to. How I make it. I mean, it tastes good with the pumpkin, but for some reason, when I'm making it, I'm not interested in putting pumpkin in it. I don't know. I'm just not interested in it. Well, yeah, so all my vegetables are cut up now. I'm gonna wash them off and then add them to the pot. So this is Cho Cho. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Chayote or it's Chayote. I don't know, but we call it Cho Cho in Jamaica. And you're supposed to clean out the inside before you add it to the pot. Okay, so now all the vegetables are added to the pot. Now I'm gonna add my dry seasoning, which is the scallion, thyme, and hot pepper. Now I'm adding my pimento. And I'm gonna add one soup mix, and then let it boil, and then I add another, and I add the other one. Now it's boiling. So I add the next soup mix. So right now everything is inside except for the dumplings. I'm gonna let it boil for like, I think I let it boil for like 15 minutes before I added the dumplings. Making some wheat dumplings. Okay, so it's been like 15-20 minutes since I put all the stuff in. I'm just gonna add my dumplings now. So this is how it's looking after I added the dumplings. Coming together right here. It's almost finished. It is finished now, so it's time to enjoy the soup. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh damn bad, stunting. Them gyal say we sweet like pumpkin. True, we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling.